Yes, come on. Today you have to speak about your principal. Yes, Shama, come.
Hello everyone, my name is Shama Sharma. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B9 and I I telling about my principal. My principal name is Priya Gupta. She is about 39 years old. She is very nice lady. She teaches us. She polite and kind lady. She woke up early in the morning.
Woke up, nahi wakes up.
She wakes up early in the morning.
हाँ
She goes to temple daily.
हाँ.
She is very nice, and she is very nice lady.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, बोलती रहे.
She is very intelligent lady.
हाँ.
She she is she is nice. She is nice education.
हैं?
She nice education us.
She gives us.
She give us nice education.
हाँ.
She 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 all student love us.
She loves all
She
the students.
she love her student.
हाँ.
She watches TV.
हाँ.
She put on सलवार कुर्ता.
शाबाश, ध्यान से बोलती जाए, बस अपने आप आ जाएगा रूटीन में. हाँ.
She teaches us SST.
हम्म.
She mm, her two children.
हाँ. She has two children.
Yes, sir. She has two children.
हाँ.
She has one brother and one sister.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
She is nice behavior.
सॉरी.
She is nice behavior.
She has
She has
nice
nice
behavior.
behavior.
हाँ.
She
या
has
हर बिहेवियर इज नाइस, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो आप.
okay, sir.
हम्म.
Her she has a vegetarian.
शी हैज नहीं, शी इज वेजिटेरियन.
Okay, sir. She is vegetarian.
हाँ.
She she travel all children.
मतलब.
वे हमें घुमाने ले जाती हैं.
हाँ, तो शी टेक्स अस.
She take us all children.
हाँ, ऑल चिल्ड्रन की जरूरत कहाँ रही है, अस आ गया ना हमें.
Okay, sir.
शी टेक्स
She take
अस टू विजिट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, या शी टेक्स अस टू पिकनिक. ऐसे आगे बोलो.
she take us to picnic.
हाँ.
I am proud of her.
प्राउड.
I am proud of her.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. अब तो बोलना आ गया तेरे को.
Yes, sir.
अब तो टेंशन नहीं है, मैंने कहा था ना टाइम लगता है. देख, अब सही तरीके से किया ना एक बार में, अब सही
Yes,
करने लग
sir.
गई. अभी तो और हो जाएगा धीरे 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 धीरे. चिंता मत
Yes.
कर. चेतना, बीपीआई हो रहा है क्या? अच्छा, बोल.
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा
घबरा
डर
मत,
लग.
बिल्कुल मत घबरा. बिल्कुल घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, आराम से बोल.
My name is my name is Chetna. I am a student of Raman English classes from batch B9. I tell you
शाबाश.
about my principal.
हाँ.
My principal's name Dhruv Singh.
इज ध्रुव सिंह.
He is Dhruv Singh. He is 38 years old.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे आराम से. हाँ.
He is very good.
हम्म.
He is very kindly person.
काइंडली नहीं, काइंड पर्सन.
Kind person. he is he is nature very nice.
ही इज नेचर नहीं बेटा, हिज नेचर
His nature very nice.
इज वेरी नाइस। थोड़ा ध्यान दे बस।
His nature is very nice.
हाँ, चाहे टाइम लगे कोई बात नहीं है, धीरे धीरे बोल पर ध्यान से बोल। हाँ,
He get up. He get up at 5 in morning.
शाबाश।
He
हाँ,
sleep in. He sleep in 8 1 in a night.
है
वो रात को 1 बजे सोते हैं।
मतलब ही स्लीप एट 1 इन नाइट।
A night. He likes. He like is food दाल बाटी.
अब इज क्यों बोल रही है?
Sorry, गलती हो गई
मेन
सर।
वर्ब आ गया ना, ही लाइक्स।
He likes food दाल बाटी.
नहीं, फूड की भी जरूरत नहीं है, ही लाइक्स दाल बाटी।
He likes दाल बाटी. He is very talented.
है, दोबारा बोल।
सर वो बहुत मतलब
इंग्लिश बोल,
talented.
इंग्लिश बोल तू तो।
He is very talented.
हाँ,
He drives car.
ठीक है।
He have one car.
हैव नहीं, हैज।
He has one car.
हाँ,
He goes to daily. He goes to temple daily.
शाबाश। ऐसे बोल, धीरे धीरे बोल, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, सीख रहे हैं अपन, है ना। हाँ
He goes to market daily.
हाँ,
He is very good.
हाँ,
He does not watch TV.
ठीक है।
Her his wife's name
हाँ,
Sunita Devi.
फिर इसको भूल गई।
His wife's name is Sunita Devi.
हाँ,
He he have 2 children.
हैव नहीं, हैज।
He has 2 children.
हाँ,
He cares all.
है।
He cares all.
हाँ,
He helps all.
हाँ, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला है। बस कोशिश करते रहो, धीरे धीरे बोलो, तसल्ली से बोलो, अपन सीख रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, गलतियों को मैं ठीक करवा ही रहा हूँ, आगे से ध्यान रखो आप, है ना। हाँ, मनीषा, बस पी ले बेटा, थैंक यू बेटा, पी ले बेटा। मनीषा,
फिर मैं क्या बोलूं, मुझे तो उनके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है।
चल तो सुन, अब तू ना सुन ले, कोई बात नहीं है।
ऐसे
तेरा
बोल
फिर
देती
बाद
हूँ
में
उनको,
तेरा
मैं
बाद
बोलूंगी
में तेरा
बोलूंगी नहीं, मैं बोल
बोल
रही
बोल।
हूँ।
हाँ बोल बोल।
Good evening, all of you. I am Manisha. I am a student of Ramban class online classes from B9 batch. I am telling about my college principal.
हाँ,
My college principal name is Ram Singh sir. He is very polite person. He is very kind person, and he helps me many more times. And many more times, and he helps another students in
नहीं,
college.
he helps all students।
नहीं सर, मैंने बोला है कि वो मेरी भी हेल्प करते हैं और जो अदर स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी भी मदद करते हैं,
ठीक है,
तो बन सकता है ना ऐसे।
हाँ बन सकता है ना, क्यों नहीं बन सकता बेटा।
और क्या बताऊं। he wears normally dress pant shirt.
हम्म,
He wake up early in the morning, and he came college.
गेम नहीं, कम्स।
सर वह सबसे पहले कॉलेज आते हैं।
तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस हो गया ना बेटा, एस और यस वाली फॉर्म
सबसे
आएगी ना, ही कम्स
पहले
टू
कॉलेज
कॉलेज
आते हैं, हाँ
फर्स्ट ऑफ
सर।
ऑल।
ही कम्स कॉलेज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड ही ही इज ए सर धार्मिकता वाले व्यक्ति को
ही
क्या
इज ए
बोलते हैं?
रिलीजियस मैन।
हाँ, ही इज ए रिलीजियस मैन एंड
हाँ
क्या बताऊं, he has a son and
हाँ
he has a car.
हाँ,
That's it, thank you.
ओके बेटा,
मुझे
कोई
इतना
बात
ही
नहीं,
पता
ठीक,
है।
कोशिश करते रहो बस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना। वेरी गुड प्रदीप।
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Pradeep Meena, and I am from batch Ramban classes. Today, I'm tell you about my principal. My principal name is Priya Gupta. She is a very honest, polite, and beautiful principal, and she also help us. She also help us and all the student, and she provide us all the facilities which we want.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
And he and she is a wife. She has two children.
हाँ, एक क्यों लगा रहा है? शी हैज टू
Oh, sorry,
चिल्ड्रन, एक क्यों लगा? हाँ
sorry, sir. She has two children. She has sister. His
शी हैज,
brother name, yes, sir.
दोबारा, शी हैज,
A brother and a sister.
ओके
Sir. His brother name is Abhishek Gupta, and his sister name is Monica Gupta.
हाँ
His brother is a ruler of our school. He
हाँ
ruled our school in all time, and he is a vice principal of our school. Our principal
हाँ
is a very helpful person. He help all the teachers and students.
हाँ
She is a housewife and
शी,
she is a principal.
हाँ,
She is know me very well just because
दोबारा बोलो,
I'm
दोबारा बोलो।
she knows me very well
हाँ
because I read in her school with the starter.
हैं,
With starter.
I
Swakya.
have been reading, I
Okay,
have
sir.
been reading in our school since the starting।
Okay, sir. I
हाँ
have been in her school since starting.
हाँ
She also tell me you have to do preparation on your study.
हम्म,
You are a very naughty boy and you have to stop your activities which is defend defend our rules. You which is different to our rule and the all teacher principal respect our principal. She is organize a
इस क्यों लगा
picnic.
रहा है?
Eh?
इस क्यों लगा रहा है? ध्यान दिया कर जरा, इस एमआर को लगाते समय। शी ऑर्गेनाइजेस
Yes,
या
sir.
शी अरेंजेस पिकनिक।
Yes, sir. She arranges picnic every 3 years.
Every
3 years.
every year.
Every year. Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Every year. C is a married person. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. पहले से अंतर आ रहा है, काफी अंतर आ रहा है, महसूस हो भी रहा होगा आपको.
Thank you, sir.
हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस, कम ऑन यामिनी.
Okay. Sir, it's my
हाँ,
name.
1 मिनट यामिनी, बोलो हर्षित.
सर
यामिनी
वह
बोलो.
टाइम के बहुत पक्के हैं, इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे?
क्या?
वह टाइम के बहुत पक्के हैं.
ही इज पंक्चुअल. हाँ यामिनी बोलो.
सर प्रिया मैम कितने साल की है?
छोड़ना, कितना भी बोल दे यार, 40 50 60 70, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. बोल.
Okay, sir. My, hello friends, my name is Yami. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes batch B9. Today's topic is principal. I am telling about my principal. My principal name is Priya Gupta. She is 35 years old. She is very good principal and good teacher. She goes she goes on temple every day. She she is very good lady. She put on simple clothes like kurta, pajama, and sari, etc. Um, she teach to us. She she take she take to us go to picnic.
She takes us to picnic.
Okay, sir. She's her favorite color is blue, yellow. She like eat dal bati churma, dosa, idli, etc. She go she go to market. She like teaching. And uh, I proud of him.
I am proud of her.
I am proud of her. I proud of her. That's it.
ओके, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करते रहो. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन हर्षित.
सर
हाँ,
तो टॉपिक क्या है?
टॉपिक है माय प्रिंसिपल. यस हर्षित बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Harshit Moria. My today. Oh, wait. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is my principal. My principal name is Mr. Rajesh Kantharia. He he is about 52 years old. He he teaches me. He is very kind person. His behavior was very good.
वाज नहीं, इज.
Yes, sir. He is vegetarian. He take us to picnic. Yes, sir. He gets up early in the morning.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बोलता रहे.
His favorite color is black.
हाँ.
He is very intelligent.
हाँ.
He has one car and one bike.
शाबाश, बोलता रहे. हाँ.
Watches TV. He come school by car. Yes, sir. He has 2 children.
हाँ.
He is punctual.
ठीक है, शाबाश, बोलता रहे.
His favorite food is dal bati. He has 2 phones and one laptop. Yes, sir.
सर वह इसको क्या कहते हैं, वह लगभग 10 बजे सोते हैं।
He sleeps at about 10 p.m.
He sleeps at about 10 p.m.
हाँ, बाद में आने वाले नाम डालो अपने अपने। माय प्रिंसिपल टॉपिक है। हाँ,
His wife's nature was very good.
was नहीं, is.
Yes, sir. He helps poor. He helps poor.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलता रहे, वेरी गुड। अपने आप खुल जाएगा बोलते बोलते। हाँ
He grows plants.
हाँ, ठीक है, बोलता रहे बेटा।
Yes, sir.
श्याम, हरियाणा, नाम डालो अपने अपने। पूर्णिमा, अगर है तो नाम डालो। हाँ,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने। और थोड़ी सी इसकी लेंथ बढ़ा, है ना। बाकी बहुत अच्छे कोशिश कर रहा है, शाबाश, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा। यस, कम ऑन पिंकी।
Yes, sir. Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Ole. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling my principal.
अबाउट
My
माय
princ-
प्रिंसिपल।
about my principal. My principal name is Mr. Tarachand Saini. He is about 41 years old. He live in Jagatpura. He has a big school and a big house. He has one car and one motorcycle, and he is a very kind person. He is very hardworking for all the student. He teach very well. He teach math, and he like food, dal bati and idli sambar, and he goes to each other anytime. वह हमेशा इधर उधर जाते रहते हैं।
क्या
वह हमेशा इधर उधर जाते रहते हैं।
ईच अदर क्यों बोल रही है? He goes here and there.
हाँ सर, he goes to here and there,
हाँ,
and her favorite color black and
is.
blue.
Her favorite color is
हाँ,
black.
and that's it.
बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, ठीक है।
Thank you,
यस,
sir.
कम ऑन भावेश।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's our topic is my principal. Our principal. My principal's name is Mr. Ajay Chaudhary. He is a good person. He is a nice person. He is a kind person. He wake up in the early morning. He go for a walk. He go for a morning walk. He go for a night walk. He go to temple daily.
Goes.
He goes to temple daily. He have many mobiles,
Have नहीं,
laptop.
has
क्यों?
ठीक के साथ तो हैज ही आएगा, हैव कैसे आएगा?
हाँ सर. He has many mobiles, laptop, etc. He has many bikes, many cars, Activas, etc. He is a nice man. He is a nice. He is a good man. He is a punctual on time. He teaches me. He loves me. He loves me very much, and I also love him very much. He teaches me. He give a right direction to us.
शाबाश।
he teaches us. He give a right direction to us. He give he give a he give many things to us. He give chocolates to me.
हम्म,
He he give he give books and prize to me and us.
हम्म,
He is a polite man.
हम्म,
He come school in time.
हम्म,
He he wear formal clothes.
हाँ शाबाश।
He is a he his age about 49 years.
His age is,
His age is about 49 years.
हाँ
He 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 has about two he has about three children.
अबाउट क्या होता है इसमें? बच्चे तो फिक्स हैं यार, बच्चों में भी लगभग 2 बच्चे हैं का क्या मतलब हो गया?
सर मुझे नहीं पता, लगभग पहले तो सर 2 बच्चे थे लगभग,
तो
अब 3
लगभग नहीं बोलते हैं ऐसे, ही हैज 2 चिल्ड्रन।
he has two children.
हाँ,
He
चिल्ड्रंस
have
नहीं होता है, चिल्ड्रन में कभी भी ऐसे नहीं लगता है। चिल्ड्रन
okay
तो
sir,
अपने आप में प्लूरल है।
okay
चाइल्ड
sir,
सिंगुलर होता है और चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल होता है। आगे बोलो।
okay sir. He has two children. He
हाँ
he has many things.
हाँ
He is he is in he have he ha, he has he has he has he has books. He has books. He has books, pens, etc.
हम्म,
He he like he like to study.
हम्म,
He like English. He likes English.
हम्म,
He speak English,
हम्म,
and I also like English.
हम्म,
He is a he is a good man.
हम्म,
He he give many things to me and us and to us. That's it,
तो अब
sir.
बी की क्या जरूरत है? जब अस आ गया तो फिर अस में तो मी भी आ गया ना।
Okay, sir.
टू मी
That's it,
एंड
sir.
अदर स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे बोल सकते थे आप। चलो बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने, वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
सर
यस
एक
कम
और
ऑन।
लाइन है सर, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ, 1 मिनट
हाँ
1
बोल
मिनट
बोल बोल बोल।
he grows many trees.
हम्म,
He he gives he gives water to many trees.
हम्म,
That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। यस कम ऑन शिवराज। नहीं
Yes,
ये
sir.
हाँ शिवराज।
Hello guys, my name is Shivraj Narwal. I am a student of Ramban English Basic Grammar from batch B9. Today is topic my principal. My principal name is Lata Meena. She gives nice education. She loves all students. She is 44 years old. She is very intelligent. She very good lady.
शी इज।
She is very good lady.
हम्म,
She helps all students.
हम्म,
She has one car.
शाबाश, बोलता रहे।
She like dal bati.
हम्म,
She get up early in the morning.
हम्म,
She has two children.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, करते रहो कोशिश। यस कम ऑन ज्योति।
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive class from batch 9. Today I'm telling about my principal. My principal name is Mr. Madhav Moria. He is about 40 years old. He he has a school which his name is Prerna Public School.
Which is name नहीं,
He
whose name?
whose name is Prerna Public School. He teaches to children many subjects like science, math, and English. But he has one subject combined like math, and he gets up early in the morning and he does all work like official works and school teaching works. he, he wears very simple clothes. He always wears slippers and he wears shoes when he goes to outside from for any work. He likes fast food. He likes black and blue colors. He drinks two time tea. He watches TV for some time and he watches many news on Facebook and social medias.
मैंने नहीं, much news. चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैंने की चल जाएगा. बोलो. हाँ.
He is a nice person and he is punctual. He teaches all students to live with brotherhood. He cares of all students and teachers. He is a nice teacher. I also read. I also read here.
पढ़ते हो क्या?
नहीं, I also read here before 12th, and I am also a teacher at present time in his school.
शाबाश. हाँ.
And before and last Saturday speaking class when I was taking class in the school, then he heard all students speak. Then he also told me that you also want to learn that type of English of all children's. So he also gave me the right that I can teach any student of grammar. That's it, Guruji.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग.
Yes, sir.
टाइम मिल जाए तो. यस, कम ऑन प्रिया. प्रिया. प्रिया.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
ना. ठीक करो इसको सिस्टम को.
सर अब आ रही है.
तुम्हारे साथ साथ मेरी आवाज भी आ रही है.
सर आपकी आवाज भी आपकी खराब आने लग गई.
वो इसके सिस्टम की वजह से आ रही है. अब वापस आओ. यस, कम ऑन श्याम.
हाँ सर. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज श्याम मीणा.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी. ठीक करो. ईयरफोन लगा लिया करो ना. फोन इतना दूर रहता है आपसे.
सर आ रही है?
नहीं आ रही, कम आ रही है बहुत. अब ठीक करो अपना सिस्टम. जब तक आ रहा है ना तुम आओ. आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है ना तो है ही नहीं. श्याम बोलो.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज श्याम
अब
मीणा.
आई ना आवाज. ऐसी रखा करो ना इसको. बोलो.
आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ ब्राह्मण क्लासेस बैच B9.
हाँ.
I read in RGPS school.
हाँ
Mr. Abhishek Gupta is my principal.
हाँ
He is a simple man of simple living
हाँ
and high thinking.
हम्म
He wears a very simple dress.
हम्म
He wears trouser and shirt.
हम्म
His behavior toward the staff members and the student is very nice.
शाबाश बोलते रहे
Loves students very much.
हम्म
He is a very punctual and regular.
हम्म
He reach the school before the bell rings.
हम्म
He is a strong man.
हम्म
A principal has a very important place in the working of the school
पैलेस नहीं प्लेस
place
हम्म
in the working of the school.
हम्म
He puts on white clothes, black shoes and belt.
हम्म
So that's it.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ बोलने की बाकी ठीक है यस कम ऑन अरैना अरैना
Good morning, sir.
यस बोलो अरैना
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am Arana. Today I am talking about my principal. My principal is female. Her name is Kusumlata Gautam. Her age is about 60 or 62, and her nature is polite. She is very wise and intelligent. She like to eat rajma chawal, and she drink a cup of tea in a day.
शाबाश
She teach 11th 12th children. Sometimes she teach us too.
टीचर्स टीचर्स
Which is okay, sir.
हम्म तो बोल बेटा
She has two car, one scooty. She came school from car.
in car she comes to school by car
She come to school by car. She like to travel. She has a books library in her home. She is married and she has a child, a girl. I like her and she is a very good principal. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड पूर्णिमा है क्या पूर्णिमा अरैना मौसी है क्या
नहीं, sir.
ओके यस प्रिया प्रिया
सर अब ठीक आ रही है आवाज
आवाज आ तो रही है पर बहुत कम आ रही है बोलो चलो आप
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling to you, I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from batch B6. But in this batch I want to increase my speaking skills. So I I think that I should join in this classes.
In this नहीं, this class,
In
this
this
batch.
class.
हाँ.
So today's our topic is our principal. So I am telling you about my principal. I study in RGPS school, but I'm telling about my old principal, my old school's principal, about my old school's principal. His name is Mr. Gopal Sharma. He is about 50 years old, and his nature is so nice, and his behavior is great, and he loves all student, and he always told and he always said that students should never take any burden for study. We should and he always told that we should always read with enjoy.
With
He
joy.
always
With enjoying it, with joy.
with joy. He always told so many lots of stories, and those stories were very interesting. He took us for picnic, and we did lots of fun there. And he is
Did की
very
जगह we had भी use कर सकते हैं. We had lot of fun there.
yes,
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप.
he is very learned person, and he wears pant and shirt, and he always comes on time in my school, and all student respect him, and he loves all student very much, and he is very polite man, and he and he and he is a punctual man. And all student were like him so much, and I
Were
also
क्यों? All students liked him या like him. Were क्यों?
yes sir, all student liked him so much, and I also liked him. So and he has two sons, and he helps always poor student, and that's it sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. बस करते रहो, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करते रहा करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सबका हो गया, कोई रह तो नहीं गया?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.